meron. Bakit ka busy dito na side? Dito na kaya yung mag-ama ko? Diyan kami sa likod ng sa restaurant na yun, sa Lazy Lemon magkita eh. Kung hindi nyo mapanood ang vlog kahapon, panoorin nyo po para makarelate kayo sa vlog na ito. Doon ko na sila sa tahas hintayin. Pasok na po tayo. Andito na ang date ko, guys. Mahal, it's good ha that I don't have a mistress, mahal ha. Because if I have a mistress, I will go to you and get my phone because maybe my mistress will call me. What is the mistress if it's a man? Is it still a mistress? Naiwan kasi to, guys, sa ano ba, sa sasakyan. Tapos nagpunta ako ng city, wala tayong cellphone.
Is he getting just kids pancake?
Yeah, pancake. Show them your hair daw, new cut of my husband, guys. Side, on the side. Nandoon na si Nathan, guys. O, naglalaro na. May mga kalaro na po siya doon.
Met Pudersauker.
Oh, met Pudersauker. Now, enjoy, Papa. What did you order?
Thank you.
What is that, my love?
A pizza that's not a pizza, so they call it a pinza.
Pinsa. Enjoy, baby love. Nag-enjoy ka sa school? Is it with egg? Mayonnaise?
Oh yeah, maybe. It has truffle mayonnaise, I think.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Good as you asked. Thank you.
Kung napanood niyo po yung vlog ko kahapon, sa vlog natin kahapon, kumain kami ni Maricel, guys. Kaya busog ako. Hindi na ako nag-order. Nag-enjoy ka, bebe love? Lapit niya na maubos, oh. Tinutulungan po siya ng tatay. May nag-abang. How's the beef? Meron pa siyang pa-free na lollipop. Nag-enjoy ka sa school?
Yes.
Anong ginawa mo doon?
Laro.
Naglaro. O, dali na, punta tayo sa H&M. Samahan mo si mama. Mabalik na talaga natin itong damit sa H&M. Tsaka may nahanap na po ako doon. Simple lang masyado na maisuot ko po sa birthday ni Nathan. Very plain. Mga pa-flowers nila dito. Oh. Bebe love. I miss you. You miss me too? I love you. Ang tatay, wala na, nag-una-una doon sa ano niya, sa kanyang palasyo, guys. May tanong daw siya doon sa mga board game man. Kami na lang po ni Nathan magpunta sa H&M. Maganda to para sa mister ko. I like this, baby love, for Papa. And this one too, nice color. I like that. Parang bilhin ko to sa kanya kasi naghahanap po siya ng ganito. Ano ba mga kulay nila? Blue, black, puti. Ito na lang. Naghahanap po siya yung para sa ano nga. Di ba kayo nag-t-shirt lang man yan siya. Para yung i-ano niya lang ba? Pang pa-warm. Pag nasa bahay or saan ba siya sa trabaho. No, hintay natin si Papa kay para matry niya ito. Para hindi na tayo magbalik-balik kung ayaw niya. Akin na yan, ubos na. Ilagay mo dito, please. Try this because you were looking.
That's nice.
Yeah. Can you try it? It's large. Ande na be. Agoy, kita na nangan mga board game dyan, oh.
But it's nice, better you.
Nice spelling, you.
Nice. This is nice.
Oh, sige, sige. For you and for Papa.
Ja, ga ik inderdaad naar boven brengen. Dat...
You know, for at work mahal, for making, or at home, making you warm. So, or too small. Maybe XL? Kinukulit niya na ang tatay niya kaya nakita niya ang board game, guys. Mga adik yan sila. Manamana lang. XL na ang kunin ni Daniel kaya yung ano, medyo maliit po sa kanya, yung large. This one, mga ganito. Gusto ko sana nasuotin. Next time na, pag wala siya dito, magbili tayo. You can pay now, my love.
Ask me. Ask me how much I paid for the big Lord of the Rings game.
How much?
How much?
25?
8
euros?
8 euros.
Wow!
Why only 8? I use my points that I am always saving there to
Yeah.
get a lot of money off.
Just say yes,
Als we thuis zijn. Ja.
Dali na. Ito yung isa pang kulay. Oh, hindi ko masyado gusto ang kulay. Kay marumihan lang din yan. Una na tayo sa labas kay magbayad pa ang tatay niya. Dito lang, kay may mga bike dyan. Kapigara. Gusto ko din to para kay Papa, oh.
Hmm?
Yun yung parang waray-waray lang, yung binili niya ngayon. Pero ito parang pang formal-formal ba? Makita nyo ba guys? Mas maganda to. Yan, oh. 36 euros. Not bad.
There's a real Papa. There's a real Papa.
That one? You like that more?
And this one is Papa. Oh.
Mahal. I like that too. The blue one there. This one is for like going out or with your friends or at home or at work. And this one is a little bit formal. The last part. Tingnan nyo! Kaya sabi, that's why I'm telling them I will buy you when you're not here. Because you don't have a choice. You will just wear it.
What's the balloon?
Ang balloons, nakita niya ang electric na ano dito kasi ba? Saan? Magbili. Okay, ay mag-wait tayo kasi nag-order pa si Mama online tapos magdating siya dito para magdating yung balloon mo, okay? Nakita niya kasi yung electric na hiniram ko po kay Maricel para pang ano ng balloon. Inaayos nila yung daan dito. Tingnan niyo yung itsura ng mga trabahante, guys. Pogi ba? Pogi? Doon pa na side. Tingin lang kayo dyan. Saan dyan inyo? Yung may buhok, yung walang buhok, or yung paubos ng buhok? Trabaho sila. Mga ano yung mga Dutch guys, mga hardworking. This is what I will wear for your birthday.
Oh.
And you?
I like this.
Punta na po tayo sa parking. At magpagupit po si Nathan ngayon. Kay ayaw na siya gupitan ni Mama. Matakot na si Mama mag-cut ng hair ni Nathan. So magpunta siya sa salon. Nagpa-appointment na po ako kay takot na ako guys. Yung sabi ko nga sa inyo ba na nasugatan ko siya last time. Tapos malapit ng birthday niya. Bad na tayo guys. Grabe na overdress. Uy. Akala ko malamig today. Yeah, it's very hot today. Nice weather. Sa mga suot namin, panglamig masyado. Si Daniel, ginupitan ko yan sa vlog natin kahapon. Kaya maiksi na naman ang buhok niya. Si Nathan na lang. Pero last na din yan na magpagupit siya sa akin. Na ano na ako na trauma. Kaya pati ako nasugatan. Trauma of being hairdresser of you and Nathan.
You mean trauma of making us bleed?
Yeah.
Don't have trauma about that, Mahal. It's fine.
You know it's more expensive by now. You know how much we are paying for Nathan now?
No?
Just for Nathan, 22 euros and 50 cents.
Yeah.
And do you know how much for you?
Too much. That's why you cut my hair, Mahal. Thank you.
36 euros.
36?
Yeah. For you. Before when I met you, it was just 24 euros. Or 22 even.
Before, it was only 17.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Grabe na ngayon.
It's like more than double now. 36.
And you are 22 euros.
And Papa is 21 euros.
Huh?
21 euros.
21 euros for Papa?
We will still be too early there.
Yeah, sige. Decathlon na muna tayo. Kasi nag-order po ako ng sapatos para kay Nathan para sa school. We're going to the Decathlon to get your new shoes for school. Because the teacher said that you need a new shoes for at school. Yeah? Oh, Nathan has a new shoes and a new coat. Nag-order din po ako ng overall na naman na coat. Decathlon. Doon na po muna tayo sa mga helmet. For the helmet. Because you need helmet. Dali na. Kasi diba bigyan po siya ng ni secret.
Under the helmet.
Opo, you need helmet. Let's go. That is too big, baby love.
No, okay.
Not that one. Dali na.
No.
There. We go there.
And the helmet?
There, all the helmets in the world. What color do you want? You like red? Yeah, red. Wow. Oh, this one you need to try.
Good.
Oh, this one is better. This one is better, baby love. Super red. Yeah, that's small.
For me?
Bigger one, bigger one.
So,
Wow, David. Who like that? Oh. Look here.
Super big helmet.
It's big for him?
Look at his head.
Then try again the other one.
It's 3 times as big. This one.
Gaaway kami dalawa kaya ayaw niya itry yung ibang ano. Pagod kasi yan siya kay galing sa school. Kaya nag-away na kami. Ayaw niya itry yung ibang helmet. Yeah, that is still big for him. This one, baby love. Can you try that one? This one. Oh, how about this one? How about that one? You like this more? Oh, this one is nicer, mahal. Oh. Di fan papa, kama. This one is nice. Oh, you don't like this with the 3 wheels? He likes it too. Like that. Chai.
Dat ging goed, toch?
He likes this more, mahal.
Yeah, because he doesn't have to keep his balance.
Yeah. Sana all mag-birthday. Nay? This one is better daw. Oh, hindi mo pa man birthday. Ibalik mo muna yan. Hindi mo pa birthday. Pag birthday muna. Ja, maar jij moet met de helm, hè? Echt waar. Waarom niet?
Helm is niet genoeg voor mij. Niet mooi.
Ina pa po siya sabi pagdating niya pa lang kanina sa restaurant. Pagod ako, mama. Let's go na. Dahil na kayo magpagupit ka na. Next time na yan, kaya hindi mo pa birthday. Kunin na lang natin yung in-order ko. Binalik namin yung in-order na sapatos. Kasi maliit sa'yo. Maliit sa'yo, baby love. Yung pang school niya. Magbalik na lang kami dito.
That is my wife.
Why?
So used to Zalando and internet buying that instead of going to the store to fit some shoes for her son, she orders them online to get them in the same store where she can fit the shoes with her son.
Your wife.
My wife.
That you love so much. From the bottom of your heart.
From the bottom of my heart.
Oh!
Tiningnan ko po sa kanilang website magkano ang presyuhan ng gupitan. It's mahal, 32 euros for them, mahal. Just cutting your hair is 32 euros. And if you want to do it with washing too is 35 euros. Ang blower, kung magpa-blower ka and also with the cutting your hair, washing and blow drying is 50 euros. Ganyan dito, guys. Iba-iba, hindi siya na libre na ang paghugas ng buhok at saka ang pag blower. Just blower and cutting the hair is 43 euros. So hindi niya pa yun hinugasan. Ano lang yun, cutting your hair and blow drying. Kay ibasa niya man, wisik-wisikan niya man yan ng pakunting tubig. You remember this, guys? Dito tayo palagi dati. Mag-grocery. Malapit to sa old house po namin. Oh, you're wearing the same color of your shirt. Wow! Tingnan niyo siya. Pagod na pagod. Grabe siguro ang laro nito sa school ba? Pagod na pagod. Oh yeah, it's poison. Yeah. Yeah, nasunog po yan siya. Ibang store na naman. Dar. Pwede pa sila makapaglaro ng niya o friend niya. 13 minutes pa tayong maghintay, guys. Diyan tayo palagi dati sa Albertine. Mag-grocery. Wee! Wee!
Ben je bijna 4? Zo!
Hi!
Mooi hier in de autootje.
Hindi pa yan tapos. Umalis na muna nagupit sa kanya. Ay, kaganda naman pala ng auto ni
Look, all the
Nathan.
hair is already gone.
Yeah.
Super fast.
Yeah. Is better here of Mama?
Here.
Sorry eh. 22 euros na to.
Mag je nu weer rijden?
Break na naman siya. Kaya bigyan daw siya ng tubig. Nakakain na ng buhok.
Mooi
Wow!
hè? Ben je er blij mee? Toch? Dus gelukkig niks gebeurd met je oren. Ik zie nu 4 spiegels.
Ben je blij? Wie is beter? Mama of the man? The man here. Oh. Wow. Big laugh. May palibre pa siyang candy. Show us your new hair, babe. Oh, ganyan ang gusto kong ma-achieve, guys. Hindi ko talaga ma-achieve. Dito na yan siya palagi magpagupit. Show us your hair daw, baby love, eh. And then smile. Ay, kapugi naman ng mag-birthday. Look at the back. Mahal, maybe you can also just go with him, mahal. With na. Atras sa 36, ay sa 32 euros, guys. Grocery na po muna tayo pang dinner namin. Pugi naman yan. Ay, Diyos ko. Para sa ating burrito. We're eating burrito for dinner. Show us your hair. Uy! Oh, kapugi naman. At the back. Turn around, turn around. Yeah, that one. Turn around, show us. Ay, kapugi naman. Ganda siya magupit, guys. Tapos very gentle. Kinakausap niya. Alam niya talaga anong gawin niya ba para mag-ano ang bata sa kanya.
What is that?
That is a juice.
I like juice.
You like juice? Pero alam niyo ba na yan talaga siya ang taga-gupit ni Nathan. Matagal na. Which one is this?
Which one is this? The left.
Yeah, the wrap. Which one, mahal? Just this one.
Yeah, the one you want. Those are these
Too
ones.
small?
Those are very small.
Then this one.
Yeah, that one.
This is the...
Yan talaga siya ang taga-gupit ni Nathan kahit nung baby pa si Nathan. First
Yeah,
gupit
that's
ni...
too big.
Yeah, that's too big, baby love.
I want this.
Oh, and do you
No,
need
we
the
have a lot there already.
seasoning for the
Yeah, let's just buy. We still have, but let's just buy more. The first haircut
What
of
is
Nathan
that?
Mahal was also
What
with him.
is this?
That's for the burrito.
Oh, what?
Dali kayo, may mga buhok yung ano, bibig mo. Oh, punasan natin doon sa sasakyan. Oh, we're going to Oma.
I like Omas.
I like Omas. Kapugi mo. Uy, I'm so in love with you, baby love. Dobby, let me see, be how in love is Mama be. Wow. Wow, can I love you? Oh, thank you. Nou, ga maar. Alleen tot 10, oké? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Klaar. Kom maar. Kom maar.
Mama, ik hou zoveel van jou.
And I love you so much. We're so in love with each other, Banu. Can you believe that? Grabe ka in love. Tinan yung tingin sa akin. And I love you. Sabi niya, Mom, what did you tell me, Mama? Say it again. I love you so much, baby love. Why do you love Mama so much? Because Mama is? Huh? Leaf. Mama is?
Cone. Cone.
Scone? Malinis daw ang nanay niya. Oma is in the garden.
Hello.
Look, Vika. New hair.
Wow, wat heb je mooi haar. Van wie heb je dat gekregen?
Van de kapper.
Van de kapper? Nou zeg.
Naghingi na siya ng snack sa lola niya, guys. Nagkuot na doon ang lola niya. What for snack are you getting?
Cookies.
Cookies? Pag sure. Inuman na!
Inoma na! Inoma na, jongen!
5 is in the club. Can I have one? Thank you. Niyaya niya ang uma niya. Kung pwede ba daw. You know, he's really into music, Vika.
Ja, hij vindt het leuk.
Yeah.
Nou, ga jij maar zitten.
Sabi niya, pwede tayo mag-play together. Siya daw mag-piano, tapos ang uma niya daw ang mag-saxophone. Maghanap tayo ng piano lesson dito. For Nathan.
Wat was dat?
Ik ging er even op blazen of hij het nog wel deed. Hij deed nog. Nou, moet dit doen.
Waarom blaas jij? Omdat?
Omdat jij met mij wil spelen, toch?
Kaya siya talaga nagpunta dito ng piano-piano, tapos pinuntahan niya ang lola niya. Saya, pwede tayo mag-play together.
Dan.
1, 2, 3, go!
Gara, wala na, gara na. Clear now. Iniwan na. Iniwan ang musikira dito. Come on, Oma, spailan bebe love. Oma, bako piyaw. Gara siya, uy.
Nog een keer? Langs als leven?
Oh! One.
Spelen, hè? 1 en 2. En 1, 2, 3, 4. Hoe roept jou?
Ja, Nathan. Gara lang yan. He's doing it on purpose, Vika.
Wat doet hij?
He's doing it on purpose. Krapjas maken. Oh, what is that? Kumasingan. Diyos ko na bata.
Ga je nou spelen?
Hoy! Nou, we gaan naar huis.
Ja, oma houdt er mee op hoor.
Ik wil niet naar huis.
Jawel.
Waarom?
Wij moeten nog koken. Krapjas maken jij.
Maken.
Ja.
Altijd maar grapjes maken. Wat is dat hier voor geks? Al die gekke grapjes. In plaats van gewoon met mij te spelen. Wat is doen? Ja, ja.
Ja, Nathan heeft zoveel verjaardag. Madaming beses yan siya celebrate ng birthday niya. Kasi nga, sa Sunday, tapos sa Tuesday pa po talaga ang birthday ni Nathan. Pero sa Sunday, i-ano na natin kasi ang mga bata may pasok. Para may children's party po siya. Doy doy!
Doei, Nathan.
Doy doy, Nathan! Doy doy!
Doei, doei.
Ay ba, omas laban! Doy doy! Doy doy! Oh, pasita! Grocery is life. Dito kami bumibili ng steak. Kasi mas mura po ang steak dito sa Lido. Oh! Strawberries! For Natanya! Wow! Where is the steak, Nathan? Here. Here is the steak. Look at that. This one is for 14 euro. Unsa man na? Hala. Tapos hindi mo na naman kainin. Mahal. Oh, he's getting cheese again and then you will not eat it. 2 ribeye na ang kinuha ko. 350 grams lang kasi siya. Para ano ba, kung may matira bukas. Bantay, hindi mo kainin ang cheese mo ha? You eat your cheese ha? Ha? Kamahal-mahal ng cheese mo ha?
Mahal? What is mahal?
Dude!
Ik heb honger.
Ha?
Mag ik fruit en kaas?
Nay, magkain na tayo ngayon. Magluto si mama super duper duper fast. Okay? Cracker ka kayo, mapag-sure. Excited lang yun siya sa cheese niya. Bantay dito, hindi mo kainin ng cheese mo. Bantay dito. Kanya-kanya kami ng assignment ng mister ko, guys. Siya ang gagawa ng guacamole. Ako naman sa steak at saka sa gulay.
Extra expensive fajitas.
Why?
Made with steak.
Or we can also put pastil in there. Look, we have salmon pastil. I made yesterday. Super
Why are we
spicy.
not eating salmon pastil? Oh wait, Nathan cannot eat that.
No, that's super spicy for him. Kain, everybody!
Kain.
Mag ik vlees?
You also have there, inside the... So, is it yummy?
Fajitas!
Kain, everyone!
Kain. Boatload of guac. Guacamole.
Mag ik nog meer van deze?
Kainin mo muna yung
Eet
iyo.
smakelijk.
Eet smakelijk. Yummy?
Thank you, mahal.
It's nicer with the ribeye or with the other steak?
Think it's the same?
So guys, nag-enjoy naman po ba kayo sa ating vlog for today's video? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you tomorrow when we upload. Bye-bye.
My turn, my turn.
Sige, your turn.
So guys, bye.
Nathan's turn, Nathan's turn.
Bye.
Ngak. Mmm.